Water is the most commonly occurring substance on the earth, second only to air. It is found in every living plant. Every water deposit in a small dell. In the soil, producing crops. In meadows. In mountain water streams. In the islands. The villages. The glaciers. The cliffs. Beneath the deserts. In the towns. Water is one of the most common substances on the Earth's surface. Nearly 80% of Earth's surface is covered with water. It occurs in two states, free and combined state. In free state, it occurs in all the three states of matter, that is, solid, ice, liquid, river waters, and gas, vapors. In the combined state, it occurs in all living matters and as. Let us now look at the composition of water. Igniting two volatile compound of hydrogen and oxygen atoms combined